Yeah, that's how I turn on my phone. So.
Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and lie to me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. So why you moving on? Someone told me that I could find it. I will find my way. Gotta keep looking. If it's not fair, gotta go again. We still get over it. Cause when I look aside, she's always by my side. She guides me with a sign and lie to me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over.
Good morning, Team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. I wanted to show you guys when the foundation was being excavated right throughout, like the beginning to end for the backhoe, but unfortunately the backhoe was left and may kind of just reach. The foreman was there handling his thing, so you know it was all in good hands. So we just reached, having a look at the foundation. As you can see, I kind of did rate the backhoe operator from morning. The right size bucket, everything went well, just a little bit muddy here, so I wanted to do it finish the day after. This is like 2 days after the first cut, but rain fell and it got a little bit soft, and the backhoe operator didn't want it to operate in here so when it was so soft. So waited until today early and doing thing. I come, thing look nice. So what is left to be done is to, we're gonna have some guys coming here, of course, to clean out the trenches and as I say, put in the column footings are going, which is a couple of them. Last time I count on this side alone it was about 10, and probably another 10 on that side. But yeah, this is a big house as you guys can see, and yes sir, so we can do this quick before all this earth start move again, because we're expecting some rains. However, working fast. So guys, that's it for today. We're back in the lockdown, so the days are kind of shorter than before. However, today was somewhat of a successful day in my eyes. As you can see, I don't know if you can recognize the difference, but they are cast. For those of you guys who are saying that may have a lady on site working and an elder lady, she's not a worker on site, guys. She's not a worker on site. Morning again, Team Ismash, third and final day for this vlog. After today, we'll be rolling on to the next vlog. And for those of you guys who have been in the comment section wanting to know me, you know, wanted to know more about me and things like that. Like that day will come when me get like in depth in my life. Like I've been trying not to be so personal with the whole vlogging thing and internet thing, because I don't want it to be a case where like I share too much information about myself. Like I get carried away with this whole internet thing. So I try to keep most, when people link me, like most someone text me or email me or whatever, like me talk to now, I share certain things about myself with you guys. But like publicizing it on the internet like that, I have never really been a fan of that, and I don't think me even still at that point where me so comfortable with the internet for like just talk while I'm a business show ever. And that's why me stop. If I did it on my channel like a while back, I used to show some certain people on my channel, like me stop to them things, like me stop get too personal on the internet. So hoping you guys don't take offense to that, like me keep like if once in the link me, trust me, once in the link me on a reason, like me not afraid to communicate with you. But like just publicizing it on the internet just like that, I'm not a fan of that. It's just that I'm not all that comfortable with the internet, because any little thing you say, trust me, can be used against you, and you have certain people that watch, and sometimes you rather not say. So you have the administrative part of the day and the field side of the day. So in every day I try to do both. I try and have to. So guys, new project will come up real soon where we can actually show up on the vlogs. Developments will come up real soon where we can show up on the vlog. And as I said, these stuff are very delicate and it is a work in progress. Guys, to provide content for you in terms of variation, I probably have to like just build things to myself and grant myself permission to film certain things. But otherwise on that, I work with people and everybody don't want to be filmed. Some people want, some people don't even have an idea where them house are built. Then don't even want somebody can guess beside them. Like, I know, like me hear some very funny things. Even one thing like somebody say, like them said Jamaicans have a thing like them believe people overseas have money, like rich, and Mark go overseas go get money, or John go overseas go get money, and John come back down here build big house, and me know say this a John land there, John that, and John no linking none of we for building house for him, that the money very like a lot of things, and me understand. So as me say, I work with all different type of people, and it's just so you go, there's no such thing as an average person. So guys, I go all out for one up on the team. As me say, the vlogs them I come, me I roll them up, me I try focus on like within each building, me I try to say me can zone in on particular member of a building or structure. But it's hard for make, like, so for instance, I do the foundation excavation. It's hard for make that be a vlog, and then me cast that and put in the full thing. It's hard to make that be a vlog, like individual. I don't know. I try to split it up like that to give more content, but and the easiest thing. So we are gonna continue to roll it out as how we have been before. Like I'm gonna come back, and hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. As we said, thumbs up, subscribe, share to your friend them. As we said, leave in the comments, good or bad. Run it. So we're on site now, guys, and currently in the foundation. I'm gonna show you how the progress has commenced in cleaning out the foundation. So guys, most of the junctions them we wanna see where in which like wall can meet wall, you would have like the column there. So seeing that it is clean right now, I try to make it as level as possible. So the footing can be consistent in terms of its depth. Here, so now you have a column gird here. So it will be excavated a little bit lower to accommodate the columns. Yeah. So we are going to have a look around where the block, the retaining wall is being finished. So as you can see, the lintels are going up. So a little bit more progress than the last time.
Wait a minute, Nigel. Oh. Money believe them be live then.
We're going to pull up one more column.
Brother.
How are you?
This the more.
Oh, Rona, sir.
Yeah.
Oh. So upstairs is upstairs. Downstairs, as I say. So look at plumbing thing that they go on recently. Woman, I wanted a 3-inch pipe in here, so because that's what she had. Extremely dark. That's the laundry. This is the bathroom. We're gonna have the rainforest shower. Yep. And the electrical conduits running up and down in here so as well. Yep. So far everything is going according to plan. We're going to take one more look on the retaining wall that is being constructed, and in our next video we are going to commence putting in the column footings and might start reinforcement as well. But for now we're gonna push for the slab go on, so we're focused on the belt right now and then putting up the deck. Let's do it.